I finally found a gimbal that works with any smartphone and can track not just people, but also animals and objects like cars, without needing any app at all. It's the new Hohem V3 Ultra Gimbal, a 3-axis stabilizer with a built-in AI-powered tracking sensor that you can use with any smartphone and any app. I use it with both the Blackmagic Cam app and with the iPhone app. It has a 2-megapixel camera connected to a tiny onboard computer that has been trained to recognize millions of scenes. It attaches magnetically, so you can point it outward or towards yourself. Then you just press the front button or tap the monitor to select what you want to follow and it starts tracking. Yes, because it actually has a color touchscreen that not only lets you choose different shooting modes, but also shows you exactly what the sensor sees in real time. Super handy for filming yourself from distance using the main camera on the back of your phone, since the display is removable and can work as a remote control with a joystick and a start-stop recording button. The AI sensors also recognize hand gestures. You can use them to start or stop tracking or even to begin recording, no matter what app you are using. So yeah, you can totally film yourself doing everything anywhere. You can also reframe the subject with either the joystick or gestures. And yes, you can switch between horizontal or vertical mode with just a gesture too. It comes with a built-in selfie stick and with an integrated tripod. It even lets you do 360 shots, also with tracking. And of course, it has got all the classic cinematic follow mode: pan follow, pan tilt follow, point of view, lock, sport, inception, and dolly zoom. If you pair it with the free Hohem Joy app, you unlock even more templates to get professional shooting. It also has a built-in LED light with 3 color temperatures: cool, natural, and warm. And you can adjust the brightness too. Battery life 9 hours. And 2.5 hours for recharging it. When folded up, it's super compact. You can literally carry it in your pocket. If you have made it this far without yawning, you can hit subscribe. And here, there's something different from the usual. They stole my car! Fortunately, I got the plate number.